Hey guys, in this video I just talk about what is Anchor.fm and how it's upload your audio episode on Anchor.fm. Actually, Anchor.fm is totally free platform. Just to be first time on Anchor.fm, you just to notice you have to be there is a multiple option. You have to upload your audio, watch that episode, and then you have to be get Spotify, Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, every platform you have to get your account. So basically, in this video I just talk about that how to create Anchor.fm. Just to first click on Anchor.fm. Sorry, Anchor.fm, right? Anchor.fm, right? Then enter, and as you all you can see that I'm already creating my account. That's why it's totally just to be click on setting and just to be update setting. You have been noticed that this is the podcast name. You have to be see, and this is the my podcast name, digital so digital marketing and personal branding podcast. And here is just to be upload your template, and you have to upload such kind of description like this one, and you have to categories, choose categories, marketing, books, design, many various categories are available. You have to be, choose dependent on you, and then you have to be using proper URL. You have to be edit URL. You have to choose proper color text, and you have to be external website, your email, your social media links, and many more things. And then just we go and click save, right? And then whenever just we click on, you just we notice that I have already a much more episode are available. My episode are available. So I just to be whenever I just to be getting a past time, just to be upload first time, you just to be upload, you have to be setting, you have to go to setting and then set up your name, your podcast name, your description, your proper logo, I mean your template and many more thing. And then you have to be click on new episode, right? And then you have to notice that there is an option and message, records, library, transaction. This is for different type of option who can be Anchor provide you free, totally free. You have to be customized depend upon you whenever just we record your by default through mic and in more things. So you have to be, and by default you have to I just to be upload by another way, and I just already created a audio podcast episode and just upload an Apple Anchor.fm, and just to be click on upload. And where I just me episode like this one, how to improve, not like that, how to benefit of Google ad online advertisement, right? You have to be notice that it's totally uploading. Finish processing. It's a little bit of time of processing, and then I'm just wait for. Okay, done. Just to be click on save episode, and then here is the title, episode title. You have to be rated like that, benefit of online advertising, right? Episode number just you know one. Okay, just take one. Okay, and in this episode, in this sentence, I just be upload, write it down like this is the this is episode number one, episode one of digital Physical. So, and I explain about how benefit of online ad, and little bit more and little bit more. And you have to be depend upon your episode. You have to be add your fulfill your episode description. You have to be write it down, all of these kind of things. You have to be, and you have to notice that there is an option. You have to be direct publish on now, right now, and you have to be schedule this kind of time whenever you probably you wanna be busy right now. You have to be upload your episode, and then you have your episode is live on, it's probably in tomorrow or probably and many more days, or 6 or 7 May. So make sure you have to be upload depend upon you have to set your time, and then you have to be confirm, click on right down, click on confirm, right? And then your episode is by default scheduled. And then you have to be, there is a notice, you have to be upload your you have to be choose session number or the session you have right now, and you have to be episode number, like this is my first episode for example, so I just to choose for episode number 1, and then you have to be choose episode type full, trailer, bonus. This is a misconception about that kind of meaning that full means you have to be totally full episode. You have to tailor means whenever just you post such kind of for example you have to be notice that such kind of movies trailers or there's any kind of for example intro, and it makes you have to upload such kind of things, and you have to choose depend upon your episode. And then you have to there is a totally content depend on clean and explain actually it's mean that whenever you just be upload such kind of episode, there isn't any kind of slang language, there isn't any kind of misconception about this kind of meeting that a lot of the people who don't isn't care about these kind of things. So make sure you can also always use there isn't any kind of slang language use whenever you just be talking to your podcast episode. And then you have to choose clean, and then you have to be click on publish. Right now I'm click on publish. Right, the episode is by default ready, and you have to be right now you have to be copy embedded to embed your website or maybe your social media platform. You have to directly share to Twitter, Facebook. You have to be right now you have to be click on your this kind of episode link, and you have to there's another option I can see whenever you just to be going dashboard. I by default I just already a bunch of episode, so that's why I just to be see that here is the top episode. It's my ranking that which type of episode there's a digital marketing, advantage of Google AdSense, and how to build personal brand, do following, SEO, increase link, and many more things. And here is just to be fully analysis platform. Anchor.fm is truly fully analysis platform. You can easily analysis about your podcast, and you have to notice there is a United States there is 61%, India 23%, and much more countries. And you have to notice there is a call about Apple podcast, how much people are just will listen, how many people, and then Anchor.fm, Spotify, Google podcast, and you have to notice this kind of percentage. And there is a device Mac 29, Android 21, web 5%, iPhone 5%, others 50%. And then you have to be notice that how much when your people are listening, and I mean what is the time frame your what is the old age. I mean it's depend upon your audience age that it's showing your audience age that 23 to 27 years old who just be mostly listen on this kind of episode. And here is the left side, you have to notice the male females not by non-binary, and this is a source of Spotify. You have to notice this is a source of Spotify. So I think this is the easiest way to be upload your podcast episode and get amazing result from Anchor.fm.